How's it going? Hope you got some good vibes going on. Gonna be unboxing a G.I. Joe Classified series, number 158, Alvin, Breaker, Kibbey. These are all the accessories that he comes with, so let's go ahead and take an up-close detailed look at the figure. Then we'll check out each accessory and where to store them. He does have this screen on his chest that can flip down. And as far as articulation goes, he does have some swivel here. He does have double jointed pinless knees, some thigh swivel. He can turn left or right on the waist, a little crunch. So he does come with this knife. He does come with this backpack and has a hole in the side where one of the other accessories will be going. He comes with one weapon only. He comes with a small handgun, which you can remove the suppressor. And he also comes with one helmet. He also comes with this hose accessory that's going to connect to the helmet and the backpack. Now he also comes with this alternate head, which he's chewing bubblegum, and I'll probably use this head to display him on my shelf. And the last accessory we have is one of the pieces to the mask device. I'd like to say thank you for watching and stay positive out there. Peace.